Okay. One more.
Last one.
How many boxes we open today?
7.
Seven boxes of chronology.
I do this way, okay?
Kelvin is on 2.
No.
He's seriously on 2.
Never. Wow. 3C car.
3?
Yes. See?
Yeah, 3C car.
Wow.
Let's see what he have. Redemption.
The first one is redemption. I want a Michael Jordan patch auto. It's number 99.
Number 99.
Oh, Kobe Bryant again!
Kobe Bryant. We have a Kobe Bryant. Number 299.
It's 23, Jordan number.
23.
I don't care about this guy.
Marvin's. Stacon Cook.
Yeah, and another redemption. What?
A mystery of.
Don't worry about that.
Who's him? I don't know.
It's very sick car.
Yeah.
Okay.
At least you have a Kobe after a couple of books.
Yeah.
Number 99.
Shit.
Okay. See ya.